Permanent hardness of water. Permanent hardness of water is due to chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. Simple boiling does not remove these chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. So they can be removed by the chemical method. First, by washing soda method. Calcium chloride, magnesium, for example, sulfate, present in hard water when treated with sodium carbonate. Precipitates of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonates are formed. Thus, water becomes free from calcium and magnesium ions and becomes soft. Next method for the removal of permanent hardness of water by ion exchange method. So ions are responsible for the hardness of water are exchanged by other ions which do not make water hard. These are of two types: inorganic ion exchangers and organic ion exchangers. Inorganic ion exchangers, also called permuted method. Permuted is a complex inorganic salt called hydrated sodium aluminum silicate with formula Na2Al2Si2O8XH2O, where X may have different value. Permuted is naturally occurring also, and it can be prepared artificially. For artificial synthesis of permuted, a mixture of sodium carbonate, sand, and alumina is fused. The product is washed with water to remove soluble impurities, leaving behind a porous mass that is called permuted. The general formula Na2Z, where this Z is aluminum silicate XH2O, also represent as Na2Z, where Z is having formula Al2Si2O8XH2O. The process of softening of water is carried in tall cylindrical vessel packed with coarse sand and permuted. Hard water is introduced in through an inlet. It first reaches the bottom of the vessel. As it rises up, the suspended impurities are removed by coarse sand. It comes in contact with permuted hard water, which exchange calcium and magnesium ion present in hard water with sodium ion and magnesium ion. Permuted, that is your sodium zeolite, calcium ion from the hard water form calcium zeolite, magnesium ion from the hard water react with permuted to form magnesium zeolite. Now water that rises through the permuted layer is free from calcium and magnesium ion, and thus it is soft water. It can be taken out from the tank by the outlet. As the process continues, zeolite gets converted to calcium or magnesium zeolite. It may be regenerated by passing 10% solution of sodium chloride through the tank. The reaction takes place. Calcium zeolite combined with sodium ion to form sodium zeolite. Magnesium zeolite exchange with sodium ions again form sodium zeolite. Zeolite. Now the regenerated sodium zeolite can be used again for the softening of water. Calcium and magnesium ion washed away by the water, and now the permitted, thus regenerated, can be used again for the softening of water.